Picking up new things. Innovation is doing new things. Agriculture, it is the backbone of our nation. Nowadays, farmers are facing many crises with their work. For example, problems due to irrigation facility, soil fertility and so on. Now, our innovation will be so useful for agriculturists to produce crops. Actually, this is the sensor which detects the volumetric content of water present in the soil, so that it will be very useful for farmers to detect the amount of water which is present in the soil. They can also detect the amount of water that is needed for the plants. Now, he is here to explain the principle and working of the sensor.
Now, this is the soil moisture sensor, and this is used to detect the volumetric content of water in the soil, and this will be connected to the potentiometer, and the potentiometer is the device which is used to adjust the voltage supply, and these 4 pins are called nail pins. The 4 pins are connected to the Arduino board, and this is breadboard, and this is buzzer. The white color from the potentiometer to the Arduino board will be connected to the analog pin. The Arduino board basically consists of 6 analog pins from A0 to A5, and this violet color wire will be connected to the ground pin. Arduino board consists of 2 ground pins. It is G and D. The grey color wire is for the current supply, and it will be connected to the 5-volt current supply pin in the Arduino board. The basic Arduino board current supply is 5 volt, so we have pinned it in the current supply 5 volt. This is buzzer, and this will be having 2 terminals, positive and negative terminals. Positive terminals, violet color is the positive terminals, and it will be connected to the digital pin. Digital pins are ranged from 0 to 13, and negative pins are connected to the another ground pin in the Arduino board. And when I insert the sensor in the wet soil, this will give the beep sound.
Likewise, when I insert this soil moisture sensor into the dry soil, here the value changes. This shows that the current and resistance varies when I shift it from the wet soil.
If you pour more water in the soil, the humus present in the soil gets washed away. So to ensure the soil does not lose its contents while watering, it also minimizes the usage of water and can easily identify the areas where it need water. And the main advantage is it can perform automatically in the absence of human.
Yes, when we go on for holidays, we always used to worry about our plants in our garden, as they need water on regular basis. Likewise, automatic plant irrigation systems can provide water for plants, which will be so useful. You can also set the different ranges of moisture value and turn on the water pump on or off according to it.
The plant irrigation system which was set by him is under process, and that sensor is actually similar to this sensor. These sensors will be vitally used in the field of agriculture, thus we can promote our agriculture. At last, we would like to conclude by saying that technology takes us further.